Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, I will show you the live price prediction of Theta network. What's the price change goes? What's the high price of Theta network? And what is the best time to buy, sell, or hold Theta? So in this video, I will show you with a live proof. So keep watch this video with the end if you are a holder of Theta. And if you are not a holder of Theta, so don't worry, watch it. That's helpful for you. Now let's get started the video. So before starting this video, remember to one track. Please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news. Now let's get started the video. Let's see the live price prediction of Theta network. First of all, we look the last 2 hour price prediction. As you know on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Theta network of the previous last 2 hours. Friends, if we look the changes of Theta in the previous last 2 hours, so absolutely good change occur in Theta. Positive 2.83% chance occur in Theta, which is a very absolutely a result of Theta network. But if we look the currently status of the Theta network in the market, so currently as you can see here, it's really bad news for all Theta network. But don't worry, I have a solution. Friends, as you can see here, the high price of Theta network is about $12.86 is the high price of Theta in the previous last 2 hour period. And if we look the currently and the previous hours price prediction change, so the chart tell us that the previous hour is absolutely a bright hour of Theta network. They goes a high pump and the previous hours, but unfortunately at current time they are falling down. That is the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that I have a solution for your Theta network falling down. As you can see now on the screen, as I show you in the start of this video, that it's the currently time is a falling time of Theta, and the average change in the last 1 hour is positive 0.37%, and the price is about $12.86. So friends, what's the solution of falling of Theta network? Friends, my suggestion for all of Theta holders that hold your Theta network with the end of this month, because the big pump are coming soon of Theta, so wait for their big pumps and hold your Theta with the last of this month. Approximately 10th 12th April their big pumps are coming soon, so wait for it and hold your Theta network. And if you want to buy Theta network, so it's not best time to buy Theta network when they start jumping upward, when they're moving upward, that is the best time for you to buy Theta network. It's time as not good for buying Theta network. What's your opinion about Theta network? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.